All right, so here we are looking at the banking edition of the personalization cards. The personalization cards are built on the framework of Hello Firstname, which is a book that I did together with Frans Riemersma, and painted up the main model of the book here on the sheets of paper here, the Bowtie of Personalization, which is essentially around how you match your insights with your content in order to achieve personalized communication. So this deck is particularly made for the banking industry. And as you can see here, for instance, the segments here come in three forms. So these be the demographic segments. All the orange colors here are segments, but they come in different shades, as you can see. So demographic segments being like rural customers, retired customers, affluent millennials, families with children, and so on. It could also be more value-based segments. So joint account customers or mortgage-linked couples with separate banks, young professional customers, student customers, whatever. It could also be dormant accounts, wealth management clients, and so on, investment beginners even. Credit card revolvers, high-value customers, multi-product customers. Obviously, you can combine these and have more refined segments. Behavioral segments like heavily indebted customers, could be low credit score customers, customers with no budget account, so on. Obviously, you'll be doing different things. You'll be giving different advice to different segments. Yeah. All right. Which moments of truth will you meet these customers in? So basically, you have like a subcategory here for every single part of the customer life cycle. So pension calculator used may be a part of the attract phase. Browsing mortgage page could also be a good opportunity for reaching out. Someone graduates, I guess, the first job, turning 18, permission capture, first card transaction, first salary paid in. Here we're moving over into the convert space here. Know your customer, compliance, update required, pending digital signature. All custom moments of truth for the banking sector. Yeah. So what would you then tell these people depending on the segment and depending on which moment of truth they're in? Obviously, that's where the messages come in here. And these are divided in campaign messages, that being messages that follow the yearly cycle. So that could be like year-end pension top-up, for instance, for the affluent customers. I think that would be a good match. Win-back offer for churned customers, cross-sell offer. You get it, all kinds of campaigns here. But maybe more importantly, the life cycle messages. Banking not being a particularly seasonal business, looking into what are the life cycle messages that we can actually tell people in order to get them to do what is better for the economy and better for us as a bank. Financial health check invitation, for instance, could be retirement planning prompt or know your customer compliance update request, advisor transition reassurance, a very crucial message to get across. Yes, you are getting a new advisor, but rest assured that your new advisor will be just as good or maybe even better. There you get it. So all kinds of messages that you could deploy to the right segments at the right time. Obviously, there'll be content feeds within banking as well. So it will often be in the form of articles, like loan and credit articles, pension retirement articles, webinars, events. Could also be recommended products, although banks rarely have that many products, but still super valid. One to put in, for instance, the bottom of an email or on my page in the digital bank. Could also be like savings and budgeting articles. Could be insights that you'll be providing, recent transactions, pension forecast scenarios. Could also be security and fraud tips, loyalty benefits, rewards, and suggested next best actions. So obviously the touch points are completely customized for the banking sector as well. Obviously you have your classical outbound channels, but you also have the cash desk, for instance. You have your digital advisor meeting, your branch advisor meeting. You have a mobile app dashboard. You have your transactional detail page. You have, you get it. All these bank homepage, for instance, that are particularly custom made for the banking sector. So with that, I hope you can see that this would be a very valuable tool for any personalization or CRM team within banking.